Hey, good morning. Today we're going to go over to Awesome Neighbor's house and learn how to sharpen chainsaws. I kind of have a rough understanding of how to sharpen blades and stuff, but haven't really done it too much, so he's going to school us on it. And then we're going to roll back to the place we found the huge logs yesterday and try to cut them into manageable pieces. Or watch Awesome Neighbor do it and then learn something. But, you know, we like to think that we're helping out. Ready to go?
Yep.
All right, let's head out. I love learning new things personally. I mean, if I can learn this and I get a chainsaw, I can just have a saw, know how to sharpen it, and then show up and do this myself, you know? It's great to be skilled. Even if it's a low skill, it's still better than nothing, right?
Not really a low skill. A lot of people need it.
No, not low skill. I mean, like, you're a noob at it. It's better than not being a master.
Yeah.
Or, you know, sorry, no, better than not knowing anything at all. What? All right, let's go. Can you say bye? All right, so what's this at the bottom? The angle of the chain tooth?
Yep.
How do you tell what angle it is exactly?
This arrow here,
I mean of the chain.
this thing here sets it. You loosen this up. This is for one side. Go over here for the other side.
So you can set the angle to whatever you want. It's not like per chain is different.
Different saws are different.
Gotcha.
You got the bigger saws, the one that has like a 3-foot blade. Their pitch is different than it is for the smaller saws.
Gotcha. And
Of course,
so
the
you
chain
just
think this is different too.
so you just got to know what angle your saw goes to, and it'll probably say on the chain package when you get it, I imagine. Gotcha. All right.
I've been putting it at 30.
Okay. So how's it work exactly? So that little lever back there that flips up.
Okay. I gotta move this like loosen up a little bit. Yeah, there you go forward.
And it stops.
Okay, I got it backwards.
The chain's backwards?
No, I have the thing here set up backwards. That one peg.
Gotcha.
See right now, you see how that is?
Oh yeah, it matches the angle of the tooth there.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So are they all the same angle and you just got to go the same direction, or you got to...
You gotta try to turn this
Okay.
for one side. Yes, this here is for one side. You flip this down here. Turn it over here for 30. Tighten it back up. Then you go to the next side, see?
Gotcha.
Each tooth is different.
Wow, that's annoying.
But you do one whole side,
And then flip it.
then you flip it, then you do the other side.
Okay. And that locks the chain in place, that lever you're messing with
Yep.
now? I'm gonna grab this chair right here. And so, does this, it looks like this controls...
That, like if your chain gets, this thing here gets smaller and smaller, so you're sharpening more,
Right.
you keep on screwing this in for the chain to get...
Okay, gotcha. So, you go all the way to the bottom, and then you lift this up, and then move one tooth, and then do it
Two.
again? You move two? All right, because the next one's on the other side. All right. And does it stop automatically where it
No.
needs to, or you gotta stop it?
You gotta stop it.
So you could mess up your chain by cutting through it?
Uh-huh.
Gotcha.
Well, actually, that's what this stop here is for.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess this is quite an improvement over a file.
Somewhere I got new stones for, but I don't know where I put them.
Gotcha. So you loosen it, roll it forward, stop it, tighten it, push down. How's it feel?
Yeah, that's sharpening, isn't it?
Not what you'd like?
No. This chain is so dull.
Mm-hmm.
I might have to go over it twice.
Oh, wow.
But every other piece on this side. Do you see I'm skipping that one?
Uh-huh.
You see the cut different?
Yeah, that's one of the other direction it looks like.
Okay. Next one. Yeah, that's got there, 35.
That's a cool little setup there.
What takes so long is that my wheel is getting wore out. I bought another wheel, but I don't know where I put it. Someday I'll find it.
You're not going to use the lock?
I'm just pulling against this thing.
You're gonna have to cut both sides.
Yeah, that's why I figured it'd have to happen. Test cut to see what we're going into, basically.
Gotta change the cut of the chain.
What's that?
Gotta change the angle of the chain.
So resharpen all of them?
Uh-huh.
To what?
30's too, yeah, you guys should go to 25.
Like, because what do you mean the angle's wrong? Because it was cutting the tree, you know?
You see what I got down there?
Just the sawdust?
Right.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be that way. It should be long curls.
Big chips. Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. It's not. It's just little curls on the little sawdust.
So is 5-degree change enough, or should we go to 20 or something?
Can't. 5 degrees is plenty.
Gotcha.
Otherwise, the next thing is 10.
Oh, uh-huh. And it's way too.
I mean, actually, it's 20. But I have never used 20. 25 and 35 is my range.
You check the coop. Come
What'd you get? All right. Eggs.
Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on. Get her, Otis. She's got eggs.
It's amazing how we went from this like super fine like powder to like these huge curls.
Yeah, it is.
You can tell this is way more efficient at cutting and way less work.
Oh, yeah.
Good chicken bedding.
Yeah, true. What are you trying to do, baby girl? You trying to get down?
It smells very different than pine. Wow.
Go on.
Cottonwood. Grain sure is pretty. Here we go. We're back. Cut this one down the crotch, this one down the crotch, that one into round. Because it's a baby, is that why you love it?
Yeah. Look at the size of this.
Very cute. Alright, winch hook up. Done. What now?
Take the cable off that, Otis.
Last one, and then this behemoth is for another day. hold it, hold it. It's getting stuck right here on this.
Yeah, it's getting stuck on this piece now.
Go ahead and just lift it up, move it out of the way, you know.
I was just pushing you, bastard.
I'm surprised we were able to get all that cutting done with just one chain, but I could tell it was getting dull at the end there for sure.
Yeah.
It's taking forever. What are you checking?
The pitch.
Oh, the pitch. Gotcha. All right. Tires are pretty low, but it's doable. One more behemoth piece to do. We can do it.